Hello, friends! Do you want to play a game? Look over here. I'm going to write some numbers on this whiteboard and you'll have to guess them, all right? Here they come! When you know the number, say it out loud. Which number is this? That's it! Number 1. 1. Well done! Let's try another one. See who guesses it faster. And this number is? Yes! Number 2. 2. Let's see how well you do with the next one. Do you know which number is this one? Sure, number 3. 3. Will you figure out the next one? And this one? Way to go! Number 4. 4. Let's try the next one. Which number is this? That's it! Number 5. 5. Let's see if you know which one comes next. Let's see. This number is? Yes! This is number 6. 6. And the next one? Which could it be? And this one? Which number is it? Good! This is number 7. 7! Will you guess the next one? Which number is this? You aced it! This is number 8. 8. You're doing great! Which number have we got here? So good! This is number 9. 9! And the next one, will you know which one is it? What is this number? Well done! This is number 10. 10! You did great! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done! Bravo! Do you like this video about numbers? There are lots more! Click on the seal to subscribe to the Smile and Learn YouTube channel.